Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of the makeup I'm bringing on vacation, how I'm going to pack it, what I'm bringing, why I'm bringing it, all of that sort of stuff. I am going to Florida. Me and my family go every year. This is the best part of my winter by far, but I wanted to kind of show you guys how I pack and staple items to bring with me on vacation. I used to be the kind of person that would just bring like literally everything I could ever want on vacation, and obviously I'm still like super into makeup, so I still bring a crap ton of makeup, probably more makeup than the average woman, but I have simplified it a lot. And actually I just got this bag the other day at Ulta. I've never had a nice bag to put my makeup into travel in. Oops. I used to just always kind of bring something like this, you know, which then I would have to bring either like, it's just like a big gaping hole, like there's no organization to it. So I got this little cute little case from Ulta the other day. It was a little bit more expensive than I would have liked, but it's working out really well, and I know like I'm gonna use it for forever, so it's fine. What is this brand? Is called Tartan and Twine. Never heard of it. But they had like a ton of cases, and I was like, oh, perfect. I'm traveling. Maybe I should buy one. So, ooh, I am a disaster today. So when you open it up, it has nice little pouches. So we have like the big pouch on this side, which has like all the bigger stuff. Have this little flap here. And then these, which I really like these because you can pop them out. They're just magnetic. So if you want to throw them like in your purse or anything, which is not something I do, but if you wanted to do that, then you could just easily take these out, which I think is really cool. And I'm just like excited about this because, yeah, look, usually my makeup when I travel with is a mess, and I think I can really comfortably work out of this and stay organized. Oh, also, oh dang, too bad I don't have it to show you guys. I have a little travel light up mirror that I left at my parents' house, so I have to get that before we go to Florida. But a mirror with me, I just got it on Amazon. It was not like a really nice one or anything, but I bring that with me to do my makeup with when I'm on vacation, in case there's not good lighting. At least my mirror lights up, which is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into all of this. I'm gonna start with these guys. In these I have all like my foundations, concealers, stuff like that, like my cream products. So first things first, duh. I'm bringing the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. It's my favorite primer ever. Just really moisturizing and glowy. I also like to use this on days I'm not wearing makeup. So if we go out somewhere and I don't want to actually put on makeup, this is a product that I can easily just throw on and makes my skin look really nice and glowy, which is all that's going to be the whole purpose of this video, is tanned, bronzy, dewy, glowy skin. Are you being needy today? Are you excited to go to Florida? The L'Oreal Havana collection Sunlit bronzer. This is just like a nice glowy tan kind of product. I can put it all over my face. I can just use it as a bronzer. This is something else that's going to be really nice when I don't want to wear makeup. If I want to just like add some color to my face, this is going to be a good product for me to have. I honestly, this is one of those things that I don't know how much I'm going to actually use it, but I'm bringing it like in case. Next we have foundations, and I'm bringing two. I always like to bring two because obviously as the week goes on I get tanner, so I like to bring one to mix. The first one I'm bringing is the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum Foundation. I love this foundation. It's one of my favorites. I really like this color. This is in 55. Dark beige or beige foncé? I don't know. I really like this color because it's a little bit on the more like reddy side. So when I've been in the sun and you have that kind of like red tan, almost a burn kind of tan, this is like a really nice color for that. And I absolutely love this foundation. I think I brought this one to Florida with me every year that we've gone, so love this. And what I'm bringing with it is going to be the Loreal Pro Glow. And this is in the shade 209, which this is literally the darkest foundation I have, which is why I'm bringing it, which is why I bought it, is like to bring on vacation with me and stuff. I don't know that I ever get this tan. Maybe like the last day I'm there I can wear this, but I don't know if I ever get this tan, but it's a good mixer. Another mixer I have is the NYX foundation mixer in Olive. I can mix this with my foundations, I can mix this with my concealers. I actually have a video on my Instagram mixing it with this to just give like a tan look to the face. So this is just like a good product that I like to have all the time to keep with me, so we're taking it. For concealers, I'm bringing the Born This Way and the L'Oreal Pro Glow. The Born This Way because it's like my favorite, but then I have the Pro Glow if I want like a lighter coverage, which is definitely more likely. So, and I like to mix the two together sometimes to kind of make like a medium coverage. And okay guys, I have not talked about this product yet on my channel, but I absolutely am obsessed with it. This is the Tatcha The Pearl. This is like a tinted eye cream. I don't know if I've ever seen another product like this. I love this so much. Again, this is for the days that I don't really want to wear makeup. A tinted eye cream. It's the best thing in the whole entire world. For me, I care like more about my under eyes than I do the rest of my face. That's like the worst part of it when you have dark circles. So it's like you don't have to wear makeup, but it brightens your under eyes amazingly. So I'm bringing it with me for days that we go out and I don't want to wear makeup. I have two Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops. The first one I have is Sunset, which is like a bronzer. So if I don't want to wear a powder bronzer and I just want to quickly throw on like a cream, this is going to be my cream bronzer for the trip. I do really love the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel, but this is just so small and compact and it's darker. So when I get tan, it'll be perfect. And I have Sunlight, which is obviously just like a blinding, beautiful highlight. Love it. Move on to this side over here. The first thing I have in here is my Morphe Setting Mist. This is my favorite mist. Gotta have that for the dewy skin. I also am bringing my metal palette. You could totally work off the back of your hand when doing makeup, but I just love having a palette because it keeps my hands clean. No surprise here, I'm bringing my Charlotte's Magic Powder and my Hourglass Translucent Powder. These are my two favorite powders ever. Obviously, I don't want to be wearing like a ton of powder on vacation, but you gotta have like some powder, you know? So for bronzers, I am bringing Mac and Me Sun, which is like my favorite tan, like it's like an orangey tan kind of color. This is like the best. Being like making your skin look nice and bronzy. I was gonna say tan again. We get it, it makes you look tan. Benefit Hoola is like my favorite to kind of contour and give shape to the face. As you can see, I beat it to death. And I feel like I always need like a bronzy bronzer. I feel like I always need like a shimmery bronzer. And I had one like random one for the longest time, but I finally got the Milani Baked Bronzer. Okay, you need to get down. I feel like I can't find a glowy bronzer that I really love. This one, I've only tried it like twice now, and I feel like it's pretty good. It does have like a little bit of a glittery look to it, but it's okay. It's better than the ones I've had in the past. Highlighter, so obviously I have my liquid highlighter. I am bringing my Hourglass Luminous Light highlighter because this is just like my favorite for, I will drench my whole entire face in this powder. I absolutely love it. It's such like a natural, beautiful glow. It's an absolute staple for me pretty much every time I do my makeup, so it has to come with me. I'm bringing two Becca highlighters. I love to travel with these because it's better than traveling like with a palette because they're tiny. Moonstone, which is my absolute favorite. I hit pan on it. I cannot believe I hit pan on a highlighter for how much makeup I have. To hit pan on a highlighter I feel like is a big deal. So this is like my lighter one for the beginning of the week, and then I have Opal for when I get a little bit tanner. This is the best vacation highlighter ever. I absolutely love this color. It has more of like that bronzy undertone. It just is so beautiful when you have a tan and like that bronzy makeup. Love it. So the only blush I'm going to be bringing with me is my Burt's Bees blush. Again, I just feel like this looks good with a tan. It has that kind of like burnt tan look like I was talking about before, like when you've been in the sun all day and you're a little red. It just goes perfectly with that kind of tone. It's making me so sad because I'm looking in the viewfinder and I'm so pale. All right, so now we're gonna move on to eyes. Again, bringing my staple products. I can't live without these palettes. These are everything that I need. These have every neutrals that I need. I have like my Balm matte shade in this one and some cooler neutrals and a black. So this is like a staple because of those shades. And then this one is perfect for like those warmer neutrals, which I'm gonna be, you know, dabbling more into. And then Just a Kiss is gonna be a perfect lid shade. But I'm also gonna be bringing with me tan pigment. Again, it's a staple vacation product. You have to have tan pigment from MAC when you go on vacation. This is such a great product to have because you can literally put only this on your eyes and blend it out, and it looks actually super nice. Stila Magnificent Metals. Oh, this is not the right one. Good thing I looked. This one. Stila Magnificent Metals in Kitten Karma. Yes. This is again something that you can just like literally throw everywhere, and it's super fast and easy, but it has like that bronzy glowy look. This one's a little more glittery if you're going out at night, which I don't really do, but just in case. All right, so now we're moving on to this little middle flap. The only thing I wish this like zipped out or something. That would be really cool. But it's fine. I actually like hate this. I wish it zipped out because I would take it out because I hate this. This is like supposed to be for brushes. It even says brushes right there. I mean, I could fit like maybe half of my eye brushes in here. Like what? Who brings this many brushes? Like I could not fit my brushes. And then I don't like this because it smashes it down. While we're on the subject, I'm not going to talk about brushes, but for brushes, when I travel, I like to bring the Morphe case. They have, the Morphe one is this one, which I bought before the Jaclyn Hill collection existed, but this is so great. It holds so many brushes, and it's a hard case, so your brushes never get like smashed or anything, so I love this. And then I like the Jaclyn Hill one because it's sparkly, so I usually take this one with me on vacation, but this is what I bring my brushes in. I would never put my brushes in this case. Shh, Phoebe's whiny today. Okay. To me, this is better to put like pencils and stuff in, although I wasn't able to fit a ton of stuff in here, so I fit like the rest of my skinnier products on the other side, which is a zip, which I like that side. I wish both sides were like that. So while we're on the subject of eyes, I'm gonna bring my Marc Jacobs highliner. If I do want to have like an eyeliner look, I'll honestly probably just use my eyeshadow, but this is good for tight lining and stuff. I am bringing my Skinny Mascara for Wet n Wild because I like to use this under my eyes, my lower lash line. Not that that's like a staple product, but it is something I like to use, so we're bringing it. I am bringing the Better Than Sex Mascara. If you guys watch me, you know I usually use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, but I got this in my BoxyCharm, so this is what I'm using right now. And I'm bringing my clear brow gel from Anastasia. If you guys don't know, I do have my brows microbladed, and so I just like to use this to set down the hairs and to kind of take off any makeup that gets on my brows. So that is it for eyes, and the last category we have is lips. If you guys know me, then you know I don't care for lipstick, like, especially on vacation. Like, the only time I leave the house is to like go eat, and so why am I gonna go like put on a ton of lipstick if I'm gonna go eat? But I do have a couple products, a couple staple products. The NYX This Is Everything lip oil. Again, this is something I like to put on when I'm not really wearing makeup because this is very hydrating, very glossy, and it makes your lips just look like juicy and like a little bit more pink. Like it just is like a really nice not makeup product, so love that. The only lip liner I'm going to be bringing is MAC Whirl. This is, again, will I wear lip liner? Like, maybe not, but just in case, get a little inspired to do my makeup and I want to line my lips. This is like a good lip liner because you really could like put color over it if you wanted. Not that I'm really bringing color, but I just love that. The Nude Sticks Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in the shade Fate. I've talked about this a lot lately. This is like the perfect, it's like almost like a not there color. Like it's so pretty to just add like a little bit of a nude gloss to your lips. Absolutely love it. This paired with Whirl Lip Liner is like my favorite lip combo ever. So had to bring that because those are my staples. Again, staple products, Buxom lip glosses. I have two. Is it necessary? You know, they're like both so similar, but I couldn't choose. So White Russian, which is like my favorite of all time. And then I have Sandy. And the reason I couldn't choose is because like White Russian is my absolute favorite, but Sandy has like a little shimmer to it. So it's gonna be so pretty on vacation in the sun. Oh, my heart. So the last lipstick I'm bringing, I told myself that like bring a color, just one. So this is actually the lipstick I'm wearing right now, but I blotted it so much. Should I make myself look like I'm wearing a little bit more color? At least I'm talking about it, at least you can kind of see what it looks like. This is the YSL lipstick, Rouge Volupte Shine. This is the Shine one. So these are the sheer lipsticks. This is in the number 16. I think this is the only YSL lipstick I ever bought. I bought it like a couple of years ago because I just wanted a YSL lipstick so bad, and I was really like into this shade at the time, like a sheer orangey kind of color, but this really is like the perfect vacation slash summery kind of lip color because it's sheer, it's shiny, and it's just like this perfect like ready coral color. I really do like it, and like, yeah, I put it on for the video, like it's pretty. Just not a big lipstick person, but oh well. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know maybe it seems like a lot of makeup to some people, but to me this is really like the staples. I could pretty much use, I could use almost every product in one makeup look. So, and I like to have options because most of the time I don't really like to wear a lot of makeup, and honestly a lot of the time I don't get a lot of time to get ready. Everybody else is boys, like I'm just with boys. So they don't let you have a lot of time to get ready, you know, like when they're ready to go, they're like, we're leaving. So I like to have those options in case I either don't want to get ready or don't have the time to get ready. I hope this helps you whether you're going on vacation or whether you just wanted some new products to try maybe for the summer, anything like that. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of me, and I'll see you guys at my next one.